In the early 20th century, Australia faced a crisis unlike any it had seen before. A conflict that would challenge the very idea of warfare itself. From the vast Australian outback emerged an unexpected adversary. Not an army, not a rival nation, but a bird. The emu, a large flightless species native to Australia, had long lived alongside humans, but in 1932, everything changed. Emu populations surged, and their search for food turned destructive. Thousands of birds descended on farmland across Western Australia, devouring crops and trampling fences. For farmers already struggling through the Great Depression, the damage was devastating. Their livelihoods were at risk. In response, the Australian government made a dramatic decision. They launched a military operation. Soldiers were deployed. Machine guns were issued, and the mission was clear: reduce the emu population. The operation began in November of 1932 and was led by Major G.P.W. Meredith. What the soldiers encountered, however, was nothing like they expected. The emus were fast, they were agile, and they were surprisingly resilient. The birds scattered at the sound of gunfire, moving in unpredictable patterns across rough terrain. Machine guns jammed. Ammunition was wasted, and the emus simply kept running. Despite weeks of effort, only a small number of emus were killed. The military's equipment proved ineffective, and the operation was quietly abandoned. The so-called war was over, and it was deemed a failure. In the aftermath, farmers were left to manage the damage on their own. The emus remained. History would remember the conflict by an ironic name: the Great Emu War. Today, the emu stands as a proud symbol of Australia's natural heritage. And the Great Emu War lives on as a reminder of nature's resilience, of human overconfidence, and of the consequences of underestimating the natural world. In the end, the emu taught a powerful lesson: respect nature, or be humbled by it.